Okay, so here's some stuff I've been printing. Um, I already showed you guys this one. Um, so I'll have to modify the file of this one. It's too wide for the Yaesu, but it would fit the Kenwood because that's what it's for. It's not an exact copy of the Kenwood. Here is a dipole bracket. Here's a string winder. Here's a string winder that I thought was going to be more like the size of this thing. Apparently, these things, they still take a long time to print too. Anyway, I guess it's like a QRP thing. You put your coax connector here, and then hang it from here, and then run your wires from here. So yeah, it's kind of cool, but a little too thin. So anyway, I get these off of here, and I'm gonna use this to wind some string. I'm printing a green version of this one, I think, or at least something really similar to it. So these are really hard to get off the print bed. That one actually came up pretty easy. So it's not solid infill. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty light. More appropriate thickness than this thing. This is, I don't know if this is 100% infill, but it's almost half as thick. So we'll try different things. I gotta get this thing up out of here. Like, man. And then I gotta clean up all the stuff from printing things. It's ridiculous. Yeah, these things, sometimes you can grab it with something and twist it. This is a scraper that came with one of these printers, but it doesn't really have a definitive edge to it. This thing is really adhered. It's like I can't even really get the razor blade under it without like feeling a little uncomfortable messing with it. It doesn't really want to go. Let me see here. There we go. I can see it went under it a little bit. I'm trying not to tear up the tape. This thing is driving me nuts. Okay. You see, it still doesn't want to come up. There we go. So, anyway, this, you would put your connector in the middle, I guess, if you're going to be able to. But anyway, it's got somebody's name on here, VK2FVB, I think. Can't really read it very well. VK2FVB. So, we just use it for a dipole bracket. And yeah, I guess you could put the connector back here. Hell, I could even use this for a loop antenna. So, alright guys, I'm going to go set up in the backyard and do some portable. It's kind of overcast and crappy, but it's not raining, so I'll catch you in a bit.